Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today, if you've lost your iOS device and or you forget your password right there on your iOS device and you can't sign in into your iOS device, this is a particular method you have to use to wipe up that password from your iOS device, and it's actually really going to help you get your device working properly again without going to the shops to other places to the engineer to pay for it. So this is a free method on how to get your iOS unlocked back. So go ahead to this website icloud.com/find and go ahead to sign in to the website. So now you're going to enter the particular Apple account or iCloud account that you have there. So I'm going to go ahead to click here on the particular website I have here on the particular. So let me go ahead to type my PIN here, click on OK, and you should sign into that Apple ID or Apple account and stuff. So once you're done, it's going to take you to the next step, which you have to do. You don't need to go ahead to pay for anything. As you can see here, it is checking for devices. It's going to take a few minutes and stuff. When you actually find your device, we know what's next to do. A very simple video here. As you can see, I found my device here. So this is my device. I say done, iPhone. You go ahead to click on it. And now the next thing to do here is that you just go ahead to click on this erase. So just go ahead to click on this erase. And once you erase, you're going to ask you to confirm that you are erasing this device, this iOS device. And once that's going to happen, it's going to refresh and you should have your iOS unlocked even without everything. So what you have to do is that you have to turn on find on device on your phone, which have to be turned on every time for security purposes. So if you have that on, you're free to go. And next thing to do is to get into iCloud that you actually have, and this should work for you. I want you guys to click on erase. This will actually work for you. So this is going to take up the password from the iOS device. I hope this method works for you. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this video and drop the particular issue you're having with this method. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.